What is up, friends? Happy days. It is time to get into some Face It League playoffs. We're getting into the tail end of Season 9. We are in your lower bracket finals. Only 3 teams remain. I've got Foxhound taking on Sheffield TD. This is going to be a rematch of your upper bracket finals. We're Sheffield TD, and we're the one and only team in the entirety of Season 9 to be able to hand Foxhound a loss. The otherwise perfect squad and #1 seed, well, looking for a little revenge. And though they had been able to pull out many map 5s, that one map 5, that fateful Wednesday, we'll come back to haunt them if they can't find some redemption here. Should be a banger. We got a promotion on the line. Winner of this match will not only head to the grand finals and a shot at the championship, but will be guaranteed a spot in Master Division, and we'll bypass the promotion relegation matches altogether. So, lots to play for here today. Let's get into it.
Ban Lucio.
Lucio.
Yeah, it's good. We were talking about this earlier. If they're gonna protect the May, ban Lucio, we can still surround them. It's hard. They don't have speed. They can't be as responsive.
They're saving they're saving the cat and cast ban for Runa. That's win.
Yeah.
I don't want to hear no soy boy shit if we lose first map too. Like we lost first map the other day and everything was fine.
Exactly.
No,
like who gives a fuck, bro?
both
Actually, who
Australia.
gives a fuck what happens?
I can't lie, bro. My
play.
energy is based off the other people's energy. If you guys are like being depressed and you guys are complaining, I get mentally fatigued and I can't like be
Nothing to
leader.
be fucking sad about.
I can't be captain and leader for you
Play.
guys. I can't keep everyone like happy. So be happy
Yeah.
yourself. It's an individual thing, okay?
I got some fun.
Huh?
Right,
Cool.
guys.
Okay, let's go. Lock in. Lock the fuck in. Remember, angles around them. Make them not be able to play the game.
Mostly
Wallah,
there it is.
there
He's in.
he is.
He's in. Let's go. Let's play.
Ah, Fuck this guy,
There
man.
it is.
Arriving at Antarctic.
Hey guys, you know the plan.
What's the plan?
For battle. Select
Play
your
to
I'm
surround them,
again.
play for angles. Don't get mind controlled
Oh yeah,
by any Kirialari bullshit. If they are
Yeah.
just on normal backline, then it's whatever, you know. You know how to play the game. If they are on Kirialari, then like you run some counter shit, you know.
Do you want to play? Do we go cat bashing? Cast bashing?
We'll
I
see.
don't
Just
hate
gonna
on
stand
this. It's
still.
good
We'll
on this
see.
point. It's good on this point.
What did you say, Kylo?
We'll see.
I'll
Yeah,
find my
on
own
this
path.
point.
On this indoor point. You sure?
On this indoor point.
I
You
guess
sure?
it-
With a
That's alright,
boss
so
like
it's
yours,
Exactly.
no
Really
wonder
on
your
this
company's so exploitative.
Yeah,
What are
take
you
him to the
playing?
win- take him
Not
to the
all
window, Grant.
employees share
Yeah.
values. Okay,
Then I
What
can
are
just
yours?
go.
they are
I'm
still
running,
a work in
guess.
progress.
No.
Stop with that. No.
Shield
Reaper?
up, maybe.
Yeah,
I
You
stop
can
there.
just walk out left. I think it's faster.
let me play
Yeah, that's what I
Shield.
was
Yeah,
thinking.
bro.
One.
Oh yeah, shield's not again. My bad.
Capture the objective.
Let me try Reaper.
Yeah, that top.
That's on me.
This way.
Make on.
Wait for me and Graham.
Yeah.
Yeah, just lean man. They have ram man.
Joe, can you pick me on whoever's there? Oh wait, no man.
So, Mizuki, carry to put
I'm
someone.
playing on the.
I'm flipping.
They're walking.
Oh, are they walking us?
Are they walking? Give me info, guys.
No, turn on.
So jump it.
They want. Not fire.
Roll me.
Up, no, Mizu one. Up.
Chill.
Have angle and ram.
I'm up.
Ram no shield.
I'm on top.
Have angle ram. Can we shoot ram, guys? Ram nothing on point.
May have.
Ram nothing on point.
Roll me. I need
Carry. Shoot ram.
Kenny. Ching ram.
Roll me.
I need help here.
Left the entry.
Third one.
Reloading.
That was there. We'll have to try that. Cup sick.
Come on,
I'm back.
Oh, Rambo.
Hey, back.
I won't be on them.
Oh,
I want. Kenny.
stable.
May here. Nice.
I'm pulling me.
I'm on. Such a man. I
Ching
can't
ram.
sit there.
Third looking at me.
Oh,
Third.
I'm here.
I'll go behind.
Kill ram.
I'm cheating. Yeah.
He's walking with all.
Mizu no
Ching ram.
ability.
Oh yeah. Rambo's out.
Oh,
Yeah, but stuck in
Okay,
one
ram.
space.
Nice. Yeah.
Third full round.
Down no carry. I killed that carry.
I'm on Reaper. Hard Reaper. Pocket Reaper.
Yeah. I'm coming, Billy.
I'm
Mail.
not stuck.
May one. In no.
Oh, Billy, come.
Swing.
Now,
Nice.
Take fine. If Ram is
Okay,
laser, just shield behind us.
Yo, they have OC, they get two, they have Ramel, they have Midwall. Okay, Ramel, Midwall, OC. Can we...
They use Mizu,
They use Mizu, they use Mizu. They have OC.
Ramel, OC.
Rumble OC, guys. What should we do?
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna go right, they're gonna go right. Force them to go right.
We have Suzu.
Wait, Billy come.
Play Suzu.
Ram no shield.
Can you Suzu repost? Can you Suzu repost?
Ram touch your point. Ram no formal point. Ram behind you.
Don't get close.
He's short of literally one.
Switch one.
Ram, help you. Nice.
He got spag, that's nice.
Okay, what they use?
Yo, we can
Wait,
union that spawn, bait the OC. Okay, never mind.
Tyler, TP.
Yo, we're giving them all space. Still post. Tyler,
Yeah, I'm bringing Tyler back.
Can Nunu. He's gonna get run the pick. Can Nunu.
Can you get Noon? Can you get Noon?
can we take...
You can put it together. No, the walk.
Go.
Okay, use.
Okay, go.
3, 2, 1.
Walk on them.
Mizu one.
Just take die point.
Come on, it's winnable.
Live, Billy. Go.
May. No cry, I'm gonna cry.
I fuck you, Billy.
Yeah, no. Kill Nunu. Alone.
He's left.
Ram on.
Ram's one.
I'm rocking
Boxing point.
Ram on.
Neon.
Ram on. I can rock him.
Ram still one.
Carry one.
Reset. Die.
You do one.
Ah.
Who's someone?
There's a rush players that Mizu.
Can someone touch?
Pushing left, they're pushing.
I can touch. No, I can't. They put there. We color, can you? No, I'm ulting. I touch.
Miz one.
Don't see.
Somebody's touching him.
I got.
Touching once.
I'm looking at me in front. Ram can die. Touch again. Oh, that's fine.
I cannot walk on Ram. Like, if he is on point,
Okay.
Okay.
Should we ignore Ram? Because we just can't kill him.
I noticed something. If we go for like a big turn, like a big spike with like Fly Noon, they're just walking on you and like they're hard walking on you. So what do we need to do?
That's what they're gonna do.
Either play Has to avoid the Ram, go backline, or play Ram to mirror and use up a chance at killing him.
Kaz is probably better than not playing. I mean, on Mizu, but I don't think Ham is very good at Mizu. We'll be fine.
Billy, I'll keep trying to put you on Nunu. Because we don't have much damage on Ram.
They won't even know what happened.
I'm going on run. Take TP.
Yeah, TP.
Yeah, we can bash him, you know? Not good.
I said what I'm doing.
It's kind of hard. Like we've not practiced it.
There's no point playing this.
On Bonnet. Hazard, what are we up to? Genuinely, what are we up to here for the side of Sheffield? This looks pure delusional. I mean, Foxhound just on a standard comp, just the I don't want to die comp. I just like it so much more. It makes more sense. Gonna be able to hold this point down, even if a little bit harder than that previous one. I don't know how much this on Hazard is gonna be open up the map, but I actually might struggle just as much if they arrive on the Hazard. You don't.
I'm still with you.
I think Kiri arm in. I think.
I'm on me.
Yeah, Kiri might be.
Help us.
We can't.
I'm helping us.
Run. Dead.
Nice stable.
I can go in with you, so if you want.
We no Kiri.
Full target. Mid one.
Me's.
Hey, you two.
Let's get back to it.
Don't go too early. You're gonna get too
I'm
much.
dead.
When I'm set up, you go.
Okay.
Nothing otherwise. They will.
We can hide in here. They have player rush. I don't know.
Yeah, we can go renew fast.
Maze close, very close. Can someone poker, please?
Yeah, I'm shooting.
Thank you. Looking right.
Okay, we can go with high noon. Ready?
One.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Touch fight.
Ram outside.
Okay, I'll go find.
Miss.
Miss.
May.
Ram front. Close me. Nice.
Okay, just poke up, member.
Wait, I'm doing my reduced buffer. Give me a second.
Can you walk to this hole? I can fuck you. Oh, they have guys.
Kitsu maybe? Does it Kitsu?
They have Kitsu.
Marga.
We can hit them with that now.
Yeah, play a lot slower. They have Naga.
They're in our
Okay,
space. Margon up in. They're clearing Kylo.
Wait,
Spin it on Kylo.
can you play here?
We can hit mid.
They're walking right side. They're walking right side. They're all right. All right.
Yeah, I can up. I can slash with you if you want.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah. Search.
Everyone's sick.
I'm chained. I can't.
Search one.
Foxy point. Foxy point.
May one.
May one.
Full target, guys.
Push high, mid.
Mid. Point. Don't give up point.
Let me kill. Just stay point.
May one.
I'm okay, Kylo. Mark one.
Everyone's low.
This is it.
Naga one.
Mark one.
Can we?
Carry.
Marcus still one.
Okay, nice.
I'm popping Kylo. Wait, we chase this guy?
I'm chasing.
Wait, yeah, we can hide in this one. Can you slash from main?
They have OC, right? They have OC.
No, yeah, they use.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm hold them. They can't go in.
Mizu.
Margo left side. Margo touch your point. Margo point.
Only Maga.
Wait, slow him. Stuck him.
Wait, just kill him. I'm chasing. He's on Mega. I'm chasing him down. No armor. He's going main.
Wait, he touched. Right side.
Who done?
Don't die, guys. Don't die.
Nice.
Nice.
One.
Much better.
See?
better.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's like the hardest better to survive, right, against this shit.
It's just like a whole bait thing again. Like one falls for it every time.
Yeah.
You just gotta touch them with a little bit of fire.
I got Ed set on you on both.
Okay, still down.
Which I'll.
Bro, these guys are fucking clueless, bro.
Yep. Tell me who knows how to play against Andran. Exactly.
Good job, Kylo.
Techniques
Thank you.
grow
I'm
optimized.
my stuff right now. Thanks.
Is there any world that's match over here?
You lucky. I don't think
If
it's good.
they
I don't
walk
think it's
on you 24/7, you
Yeah.
could.
We're just if we go Naga, we're just matching their spike.
Hey,
and they don't have to answer this
that may counters you like a bit hard on. You can avoid the May a bit with Hazard.
Coco.
Main, they're going main. Wait, Billy, we can go early. On the right.
Go behind.
Yeah. I was up left.
Touch.
Let me
I
know
might
when you're
walk
in.
in.
We have an angle behind them.
Defending me.
I'm walking back.
There's one.
Okay, well, come.
Wait, you go,
Okay, just walk in.
Mid.
Miz outside, left side.
Nice.
Oh, Billy, they're gonna stop you. Yeah. Okay, Marco. Reloading. Marco.
Nice. They touched. Slowly.
I'm helping Zach.
I go carry if you hand them.
Come here. Kill me.
May one. K1. Oh,
Thank you.
oh my bad.
Focus back.
Just live.
Live. Zach is one.
Slash back close.
Don't troll. Cut point.
Jump for me.
I'm back in front. We're back in front. Look at
Okay,
that.
can you TP out? They're gonna keep chasing. I can fly you out, Zach.
They might chase me. They're just
Okay.
fine. They're chasing me.
It's fine. Don't die. Don't stack
I'm
them
down.
all.
Yeah.
What else do they have?
Maga close left.
On fire.
Probably nothing.
Okay, wait. I'm coming back. Can you take me? Just wait for me to set up.
Yeah, wait for us, please.
Just wait for me to set up.
Waiting.
Wait, like, taking drink. I'm with you.
I'm taking the space. Come.
Oh,
Don't
Yeah,
deny,
yeah.
I'm low.
Maga
Okay,
close left.
we have left side.
yeah, we have an angle on them.
Let me right side.
So just mark me.
I got me.
I can stop. Yeah.
Sudden fire. No Suzu. Come.
All of
Right
them,
now.
yeah, look.
Walking, up, Kylo. Walking.
I'm crazy now. Go. W. Kiri one.
Go, fly.
No.
Can we hit something like a fox? No need.
Mid no shift.
Target.
May no eyes on point.
Maga.
Fine. Nice Maga.
Okay, they didn't use anything.
They used it too.
Okay, they split. Okay, nice.
They have
Okay,
that
everything
cage.
else. Take
They're
me
gonna
out.
see.
We go early turn. Don't give them space.
I'm seeing up very
Uh,
close.
So shop, right?
They're going down.
I'd fly out.
Yeah. Can you take me here? Oh no.
Get out.
Come back point. I can fox point. Wait, can we hit them? When they're in the choke,
Right
okay?
side. Man.
I'm killing May.
He got me.
I killed May. Switch one.
Come to me, Kylo. Come to me. I can help him.
I'm with it. I heal him.
Wait for me.
Can't.
Marco can die. Marco.
You can chase.
Okay, we just chat. No, we can't.
Okay, flip.
Are you scared? What did they use?
They have cage. They have Blizz.
Yo, they're gonna OC. Just hit
They use
OC.
OC. They use OC. They use.
Okay, I don't want to be the Blizz then. I don't want to be the only one out. Just poke.
I'm harassed.
Yeah, come, Billy, come.
They're gonna place cage with me, probably.
Down the left.
One or the other.
Mega point.
Margaret.
Come, Billy. Oh, it's shit. Break.
I'm low.
Chill now,
Yeah.
stable.
I fly you.
Wait, I'm touching. Someone else touch.
I. Help Billy. May.
That's fine.
I touched
Nail me.
Nice. Winnable. Full target.
Wait, May.
Like, no target.
Mega fire.
I'm okay.
Malga.
Only Manga.
Marco.
Stagger. Let him die. Let him die by himself.
Face up.
Okay, we are fine. We can build tiny.
Junior open mic game.
Cast.
We have noon. We just play for the noon. Poke out early. Go set up now.
Yeah. I'm not touching cast.
They have cast.
That's fine.
Cast one.
Can you tell me you have it?
Yeah. Wait, shoot Devo. I have it.
Left
Okay,
side.
I'm gonna
The left side. They're hiding.
When they walk out.
Inside. They use a touch.
Use.
Go point.
Mizu.
Divas one.
Diva. Go baby.
Go point.
May.
Cast.
Bye jumps.
Good fucking shit.
Good first round.
Good shit, guys.
I'm your not the dark wizard.
I keep.
Can you lend me some?
New junk, guys. They pick new junk. We obviously want our Soj.
Okay, Lucio.
If we can't ban Soj, we ban Ilari.
Okay.
I really hope they ban Cat, to
Listen,
be honest.
I think.
Yeah.
We ban Surge.
Yeah, ban Soj if we can. If we can't ban Ilari.
Ban
Guys.
Surge and go look at. Listen, ban Surge, go Amalgacom.
They banned Lucio, ban Soj. Go
Yeah,
ahead,
ban
ban Soj. They're gonna be on Kiri
Ilari,
Ilari, okay?
yeah. And they said,
100%.
remember, like the first game we played against them, and they sat up on the right side. Deny that right side really hard. So someone go.
I
with,
go with Kylo.
Yeah. We do, or we can like either 5-man run it on Malga with Juno.
You cannot be a bitch into this comp, okay? We need to be like really fast and reactive to what they're doing, okay? Because they will look to get value out of their big backline. All right.
I think honestly, I think we go Zarvan or Malga comp.
I like this.
Oh wait, no Lucio though.
Can't without
We go Juno.
Yeah, you
I
can't
can
play-
Cat.
Look, they're trying to
I
force
don't
the
know.
slow style. They're trying to force the slow style.
They're gonna be on Orisa. They're actually gonna be on Orisa.
Wait, what's the map again? I didn't hear.
New junk.
New chunk
Oh.
and
Almost
Lucio
certainly
ban.
on Orisa, I think.
Okay, if they're on Orisa, what do you want to play?
I think the
Hmm.
Zarven's good.
Either
I think like,
Zarvan or
I think
Morgan
any
Amran.
comp that's fast, okay? You just wanna like
I think we go Zarvan Cat Cass. I'm not gonna lie.
yeah, I think you
I-
do.
I think it's actually Zarvan Cat Cass.
How
think it
do you
is,
feel
yeah.
about it, Ewan? What do you think? And Kylo, how do you think about Zarvan?
Either Zarvan or.
I mean, I like Margaret and run
Morgan.
Cat as well.
Instead of Cat, we can just go Juno, Kiri.
I don't know, but they're playing May, so we
I
can
feel
just
like-
play
No,
Juno
I think
Cat.
we want the cat. I think we want the cat
Yeah.
no matter what, because that character's
Yeah.
pretty broken. The first fight, like, don't give cat before fighting, okay? Like,
Yeah, don't get flipped. So like try.
Yeah.
I think Grant tried torch. Like Kylo tried torch. I can try torch. Like things like this.
Yeah, me
Give
and
it flip
Grant
is very
might-
important.
literally just force a fight, like maybe 5-10 seconds between before point unlocks, right?
Yo,
Okay.
oh,
Like
yeah.
instead
Listen,
of
Also, Nunu is AFK off Surge. Just focus jams. He is the main
Yeah.
target there. If he's
Yeah.
playing Alari.
We just banned Sword, just now.
Yeah. If he's
Yeah,
off,
exactly, he's
Yeah,
offset.
so we're saying we go on the Alari. Cass is that he's just gonna be AFK on Cass.
Okay.
Welcome.
The most important thing that worked really well last round, was we avoided their spike and we hit them. Okay. Keep doing that and don't be scared. And don't give up like free space. Like if we see opportunities to poke the spawn to punch rotations, things like this. Remember like what went wrong yesterday, we fixed today. We already have. So just keep doing it. Keep it consistent. Okay.
Sir, yes, sir.
So do you want to avoid taking damage and let me and Kaido work the side a little bit? Ewan?
If we're on
Stay
Malga,
safe.
I think we just hit
And I'll
together.
keep you safe.
Or
I
you,
think you guys go left, and then we hit the main together.
Is like really good for like us just all getting in there. By the way.
Yeah. I think
shall,
we just go in.
shall I follow man? Okay. Okay. 5
Yeah,
man?
you need
5
to
man?
help them.
One.
Yeah, 5-man main, 5-man main. If anything, I can Anran. I think the Anran's really good for like just going together.
Scout.
That
Maybe.
call.
Oh, Drank, you might need to control the off angle to be fair.
May, Mizu, Cass.
Cast me sick. Avoid the damage. Low shield.
We can go.
Oh, yeah, I can.
Big thumb!
He's the one.
No.
Okay, can you curve? I'm gonna fly them in. Fly Villian.
Good fucking job. Good fucking job.
No, when they're all dead.
Hey! 5 plan. Focus.
Okay.
The Nords,
Hold back. Kylo, you come in.
Billy, do you want height?
When they're close,
Hide.
Yeah, I'm hiding. I can scout. Main, I can cast.
Ready.
Wait, break left.
Break it.
Time to
I'm ready.
Get it all the way in.
May one. Full target. Miss one.
No, cast first.
Cannot. Is it nice?
Cast.
Stable. 4v2. It's tanking me. I'm with you in.
I got one.
Swing point.
Oh,
You okay? Don't die.
Six.
Kill 12.
I'm not dying.
Yeah, no, still. Nice.
Nice. I can look for a catnap on this slam. Well, okay.
He's one.
Is if you slam, I can catnap.
They're going from. I'm close on run. I can go whenever.
3, 2, 1. Jump in. Stick down.
Oh, I missed.
Hold on. Target.
Okay, chill now.
Chill.
I'm back for you.
Yeah.
Crash out.
I can
Yeah.
Cast.
Ignore point.
He's a pump.
Yeah, ignore.
Point.
No. Just no need. I'm with you, Ace.
I got it.
Kill on. Go. Oh,
Nice. Different back.
oh, crud.
He's up.
He's up above.
Attack.
Okay, out. Flux, Mizu. Flux, Mizu rush.
Yo,
No,
they
no.
don't have Noom next. Don't peek. Let me and Crank go first. They don't
They
have
usually have Flux Mizu Rush.
Wait. They have.
They have.
They have. Okay.
Is it blocking?
Don't peek, please.
Don't peek. Wait for point.
Okay. Don't peek you in. We're baiting.
Yeah, I'm
Okay, we can go.
Enemy spot.
Okay, can you go now? 3, 2, 1.
Fuck, I'm dead.
Oh, hide. Oh, what?
Used to.
I'm fine.
They used to.
Die fast.
Yeah, Rita.
I'll actually die.
That's fine. They use Noon, they use Miserable. They use 2 for 1. That's like perfect.
That's fine.
Yeah, have Blizz rush.
That's on the right.
When we make contact. Okay. Ignore the right. We're gonna kiss you, man. Come. 3, 2, 1.
But they're backing out.
No, nothing.
Wall.
Fox it point.
Go now.
Get the busy.
I'm in there.
Miss one.
What's sick? Oh, I'm
Go up on, help Kylo.
Kylo.
Six. Mid down.
Looks sick in here. Looks sick. Now carry. Now Miz. Nice.
Okay, nice. They use Blizz. They have Blizz, okay.
They have Blizz,
Did they use Bliss? Okay.
They have.
What did they use anything?
They use Flux and
Flux rush.
Okay. They just have Bliss.
I can look for catnap as well if you want to slam him.
We get ready to crash out, yeah?
Yeah, we crash out with catnap, yeah. We hit the mid, he has blizzard.
On left. Safe.
May is our target, he has blizzard. Yeah, May is our target.
3, 2, 1.
May's off the map. Live.
Okay, I'm living.
I'm behind them, can we crash out?
I'm going. I'm in.
Cast.
No more.
No more.
Live, come back. Live.
Me and Zach are coming.
Thank you.
All we have is Anran ult. They're gonna have.
They have Blizz. Blizz in, okay.
I can
use
stop
Blizz.
or we can unrun.
Yeah,
Okay.
First Suzu we go.
Just
So you're down to. Just play back. Come back. Get out.
We can get flip, that's fine.
Oh, I need help Kylo.
You stop press.
Thank you.
Yeah, I can bait. We can bait. Oh no, man, you can't bait me.
I'm gonna go, you ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
The man, go. Again, shots.
There's no shift. I'm on cast.
I mean, this.
I baited it.
I'm with you on the main. I'm with you on the main. Main nothing.
He's up top. He's up top.
I have to.
Ulti main. Huge, miss.
Miss one.
Nice.
I'm getting close.
Half for less.
I have 8-3.
Target.
I have Foxin.
Quick fuck.
I'm stuck. I got it.
Quick fuck.
I'm open left.
Get me on cast.
I can't.
I got cast.
Made down.
No scissors. Full one out.
Just take one. Okay, I'm with you on the back line.
One.
Nice.
Miss you next.
Okay, carry.
Opposite to be honest.
Okay, there's one is here. Just
What do they use? They use Fox and what?
Eats.
High noon, flux.
And mid.
Tell me.
Did everything?
No.
Okay, they have blitz only.
No background.
They're on Ilari. They're on Ilari. Definitely.
Okay. I'm playing.
Okay, we can play for the slams.
Yeah, I nearly have
Look, play
to.
with me, Grant. Play with me.
I need to slam with Azo. I think it's good.
Cast left. I need to chill.
3, 2, 1. I can't. I just say
It's
mate.
fine.
Okay. Chill.
Next one
fire.
is 6.
Come back side. Yeah.
No one.
So we can go back in. Oh.
Can we look for trade? Can you go on someone, Kylo?
Going back line.
Yeah. Carry on.
High point. Don't give them point.
Okay.
Again.
Dead.
Nice. Yo, we come back before him.
Have
They're down
blitz
there,
body.
Kyrie.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're down currently. We can go. We can look you back.
Yeah, Zach, keep it to them.
I'm going.
I'm here.
Okay, we can walk. They're not curry.
They lost up.
I'm changing things if I got a chance.
Yeah.
They're gonna.
I have no pylon. I have spin
I'm on
left.
the right. They're looking at me.
I'm ready to go. But I can
I have angle on them.
6.
6.
1 HP.
Ilari right.
This one.
No, Sisu.
I got Ilari. You
I'm on.
You stay fine.
Don't die, Grant.
Main.
Cast left.
Left. Two cast.
He's one. Legit one.
Ilari got
Okay, we have flying.
Okay, they use flux.
Yeah, he's got.
He
So
did.
we have fly noon. They're also gonna have noon. Okay, we can place the bases.
Okay.
Or we can
just,
slam
like, slam
Yeah,
cast,
we can
maybe?
slam cast when we go. Okay.
Ilari don't shift. She's left.
The left side.
Yo, you can slam cast when we go with noon. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
He has some.
Pin him 4.
Come.
Let me know when.
He's main.
3, 2, 1.
I got sick. I focus.
6.
Under.
Take one.
Any sagas, maybe?
Carry burning.
Okay, main this one. Last fight.
Where's May?
Main.
Main. Okay.
Same shit as earlier, but with my ult.
They have Ilario.
Shush, I want to hide here in cage.
Okay. They're going right side. They walled us. They're skipping us, Ewan.
Main.
Yeah, I think main.
Fix up.
I'm cast right.
Ilari.
Ilari still one.
I got.
Alright, 6 point.
Ilari.
6 point.
Let me go.
Carry burning.
Let me go.
All one.
Nice, Kylo.
Only Ilari. Only.
I'm with you.
Let me go. Who?
Care jumps. 1v9. Care jumps.
Main. Cast main.
Thanos.
Cast. Nice.
We suck at cleaning
How
up.
good is Kylo Ren?
Kylo, you are the best player I've played with. You are the best player I've
I
played
know, I
with,
love you,
Kylo.
bro.
You are the best player I've played with, Kylo.
It's just whip out all reliable, you know. Practice this shit.
Mate,
Bloody.
Anran is nerf Anran, nerf Kylo Ren. Someone kneecap him. It's just not fair. In the interest of a good game, someone has to take him out. STD on Foxhound's map pick. They won 2 Foxhound map picks in a row, Jake.
Everything, yeah, but you know this team, we've got bad juju. They've reverse swept us many times. Okay.
They love being on
Focus.
back foot. They love being.
Yeah.
They
One
love
looks
being
it.
Giving them a speech right now, bro. You know who is giving them a speech.
They look pressure.
Can we lock in? They choose kings.
Okay.
Things right. Okay, May ban if we can.
If we can, yeah.
can't, definitely a Lari ban. You saw Jam swap to it
Yeah.
on this map.
Okay,
Clearly 'cause he
listen.
was like, this shit ain't working.
I don't want to ban May just because they're gonna go like if we lose, we're gonna go circuit and the Mayban. We need the Mayban.
Let's ban.
No.
Let's ban.
And we
Yeah,
normally-
if they protect it, let's ban Ilari. I actually agree with that. I think we could play
Yeah.
against May. Maybe. I actually
Yeah,
think the
I
car
think we ban
is really
Ilari.
good.
Yeah, with Ka, I can low-key play against May.
Yeah, and Ewan will
I
just be on the
think
Thanos
May
character that
is
skips Blizzard.
much harder to play against on this map than on
It's true.
circuit now.
There
Because
could
we
be-
But
have,
we
like-
but the May on the circuit is like fucks us. Like we don't have a chance to win that map.
The
We
thing
don't
is-
have a
is
chance
that-
to win.
Well, they
and
protected
grow
it
anyway.
anyway. They protected it anyway, Banalari.
Yeah.
But
Banalari.
Yeah, we did
a
Ilari.
Kiri ban maybe, but Ilari ban's good too. Yeah.
Either
No, have them on
Sigran
Kiri.
or
Like
May.
how they're hindered. They have to have him on Kiri now.
You're right. Yeah, yeah. Keep
Yeah,
jams
yeah, you're
on
right.
Kiri.
He
Keep
could
jams on
bap,
Kiri.
like he could bap, but it's
Jams could
bap.
go on
Who
it, yeah.
cares?
How about we explode on them with our our Strout on first point, and then we try and play Zarven. Otherwise, that
Yep.
feel good about that, especially on attack. On defense, Loki, I think you can play like start Has for first point. It's a really good first point. And as soon as you can on second, you want to be going round. Like we really want, I think, the ability to just like sustain out the front line. Yeah.
Select your hero.
By the way, Greg is supporting us. No, Greg, fucking Groka. I'm sorry.
Grokka,
Who's
W
Grokka?
Grokka. You know what? Now Grokka wants us to win. I think nothing can stop us because
Okay, okay.
we've got Grokka.
Come on,
behind
one
us.
more. He says.
Listen, guys, don't get relaxed. Don't get like just because we're 2-0,
Yeah.
don't get relaxed.
Keep it
Keep
up.
the
This is
same
a good
energy.
map.
Yes,
This
yes.
is a very good map.
The best
But-
map.
Yeah.
I'm
I'll
thinking
find my
to
own
keep
path.
Andron because they're really confused about it.
I think it's conceptually okay. I think it's alright. It's like valid, you know. It's valid.
I can help base on whatever he does. Zach, you can stay with Billy.
Yeah, I can see
What do you,
really.
Yeah.
Juven, what do you want to
We're
fight?
really good. Okay, like this comp's really good at holding the hotel. So if we like lose space, just go hotel.
I'm starting
really good
hotel.
at
I'm starting
retaking,
hotel.
okay? At retaking.
Fuck, I
You
can
can start
scout.
top, start top, start
Okay, I
top.
can start top. I can move hotel.
You
though.
guys play top. I'm playing right side. If they try to flip, I'm flipping behind them. Juven, let's go.
Yeah, they have a Sig, Lucio, May, Kiri.
Okay. Typical comp. Same comp.
If they
We
go
take-
right at
take-
wall, then
We're gonna swing me out.
main left.
I'm already going close. I'm already going close.
I'm rough.
Oh,
You're fine, you're fine,
No,
you're
no,
fine,
rock, no wall.
you're fine.
Catch out. Get it?
They're gonna walk onto Billy. Billy, walk back, Billy. Walk back, Billy.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Maze took mid.
switch off.
We need the angles and we can hit. Are we ready?
No Suzu, stable, no Suzu. Yeah.
I'm ready
Maze in
to
their
them.
spawn.
I'm ready to hit them here.
They're peeling that May, I think. They're peeling that May.
They're on me. They're on me.
I'm with you, man.
Live.
Can you?
Can you get out? Come hotel. Come statue.
Flip. Maze main. May one.
Oh, chest ice. I can help you in hotel.
No Kaya. Let's just keep running away from them and collapse on species.
Yeah.
All the time.
I'm going rough.
Just run away from everybody.
Yeah, it's my bad.
Going on switch.
I'll phase zone.
We have no form. Okay, listen. We're down our form, okay? Just keep playing slow to be our form.
I can help Panda.
Oh, this is it. Okay. Actually,
I'm taking top left. Oh, never mind.
No. Let's take a turn on the sig. Take a turn on the sig. Yeah. Swing on the sig.
Walk. Stick one. He's fight.
nice.
Stick down.
Stick. We fight it.
Nice.
Move on. Do on the right.
Rank, can you pull me up?
Main.
Okay, all track on 5 time.
Rush flux.
Rush flex. Okay.
They only have Sojo too. They're like.
I can carry you up here, Kylo, if you peek.
I'm behind them.
I'm gonna start. Listen. I'm gonna start Fox because Kylo's in position. Okay.
Yeah, I'm ready when that's left.
No.
Team up.
He missed.
Fine, nice. My left.
Up person.
You're fine.
Ow.
You win.
Fine, no to do.
Show. You're breaking wall.
Now Q's inside. Nice.
That's fine. They use beat, they use Kitsu, they use mail, they use flux. They use floral.
Maybe that. Oh, okay.
They're gonna start OC. What do we do?
Yeah. I can look to catnap. Maybe.
What you could do is you could drop me on her, like Loki. I have
Sure.
full unravel.
He's gonna go on.
Bait her slide first.
He's gonna go on.
Okay, we're dropping our ramen. We're forming and we're crashing out. Okay.
You know what switch is right now?
Surge's on top, I think.
No, main.
Okay, I can go.
I'm behind.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. I'm catnapping. Look. Okay, look fine.
I'm with you, Kylo.
Help you.
Walk in. Help him.
Okay, I'm meant to make sure. Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Don't hold up. We have not. Me and Kylo can hit them really early. Like, bait them in, we hit them here.
Don't give this so space to OC. Do not give this so space
No,
to
if she goes left, we need to just come keep
3-1
her.
right side.
Kill her. Straight up.
3-1 my friend.
That guns are main. Jumps Nunu main.
Okay,
Kada.
when they walk out, we go, Kylo. When they walk out, we go.
Yeah, I'm ready.
They're coming. Now.
May one. Hey, Carol,
So.
Help you, just keep you up. Maze on the right.
Rocky on fire.
No more.
Maybe on main side. That's main.
I'm on. Ooh. Yeah.
Chill.
Don't worry
Okay, we're
about
down
it.
and
We need to back up for Kylo. We need to back up.
Back up, guys. Back up.
Actually.
Keep shooting them. Literally, guys, keep shooting.
Wait, what else do they have?
Kylo's back inside.
Okay. Wait, okay, Kylo, come.
The close to another beat, they have Annihilation, they don't have OC anymore. They have another pop.
And pop right again.
Do we want to bait on all?
We can hit them in the same place.
Okay, I'm gonna fox. 3, 2, 1.
Run.
Clear on, listen. Clear one.
Come back.
I'm don't worry. I'm sacrificing now.
Nice.
Come out.
It's okay. We have tank advantage. Out.
Yeah.
Okay, Kylo, double dash.
Give me TP. Oh, I'm TP.
Yeah, we Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Slide Lou.
Left field.
I have to go in.
That's fine. Leave me out.
Fine.
I have is TP out.
Main.
Out. They're gonna chase.
Okay, what do they have? They use those.
They use Blizz.
You don't push me. I tell you.
Go, come get me. I have
Yeah, come. Can I drop you on search and I use Scan up?
Yes.
Did they match our Kitsu?
No. They have.
Okay, they have Kitsu.
Okay, I can drop you. Ready?
Close.
3, 2, 1.
On fire.
I got search. Oh,
I'm on fire.
I can block the point, just flip.
yeah. Okay, yes.
Pocket him.
Run low.
I'm cross and run.
I can touch forever.
Push fire, everyone.
Target.
I'm on. Nice.
Maybe
Can you
this.
Surge one.
Surge one.
Give it.
That's fine.
Okay, the V's beat, Rush, Annihilation.
Venture.
Maybe close to AC. Nothing
They
right
use
now.
Fox as well.
I'm gonna go far
They
out.
have nothing.
I'm gonna go far out.
Wait, switch.
Nice.
Oh my days.
Nice.
Walk in.
Wait, be like really high. Oh,
I die.
push.
Yeah, push
Far
it.
out, remember.
Okay, they're close OC, coming up to Blizz as well.
Can we play a bit aggro?
Not really, we have no ult.
I'm off.
Grandma,
Okay.
Oh my God.
no kill. Ready, we can swing. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2, 1, point men.
Look at the ramp. The ram is split.
Okay.
Nice, don't worry.
Okay, chill now.
Okay, mate, left
Good
side.
time.
Yeah.
Surge one.
No shield.
That turn.
They're pushing you, Peter. They're pushing you.
Yeah.
I can go sorry. Sorry. Oh,
Cannot.
not swing.
Okay, we have OC. We go back and we have OC. Wait, 2%.
This
You
one.
ready? 3. Oh, wait, never mind. Surge.
Sorry, mate. Sorry, one. I'm sorry, quick.
Run.
Look,
Stagger.
He got started.
It's okay.
He got
Coming up to Rush.
Shoot that spawn. They're down the tank. Shoot that spawn. Walk up a bit.
Rush.
I wanna catnap when.
Do they have?
Probably yes. I wanna catnap when they get to this corner. We need to push on it.
Okay.
We OC this corner too.
Someone, can you scout, Kylo?
I can OC
They're
cross
main,
and
they're
you
not-
can't have it there.
they're not
OC cross
fully-
and you can't have
Okay.
it.
Okay,
Okay, ready? 3,
No.
1.
Play left. On mega room.
I killed the ram. Dead.
I'm gonna lose some TBT, I think. Right?
Shoot that spawn really hard.
Yeah.
Shoot that spawn really fucking
They
hard.
have,
Here.
they have Annihilation beat Rush.
3, 2, 1, swing with shield. 3, 2, 1, swing with the swing with shield.
Yo,
Give it.
listen to me. Play
Yeah.
Kylo, he's gonna ult.
Okay.
I can slow you
Low
down.
underneath me.
Drop
Underneath
to
me.
slow one.
Not. Maybe short. I'm underneath.
Then the choke. Can you go, Kylo? Can you go?
Point men.
Going up.
Around me.
Oh, they're very far away.
Kill him, freeze, mate. I'm frozen.
Okay.
Help you in.
It's fine.
May one.
That point.
I have ult.
What they use?
Nothing.
Do they have B?
Yeah, beat Annihilation Rush,
I'm
please.
going with her. Just wait till we're all out.
Oh, I'm on.
Wait.
Yeah.
They're in spawn. I'm shooting one.
Yeah, you need to pick, you need to pick.
Yeah, I'm walking.
No wall.
Touch point.
May one. I have ult. She's gonna freeze me.
Search full row.
May one on me. Good ult.
That's fine. Good hold, yeah.
Complete.
They're actually leaking, bro. I'm not gonna lie. They are actually leaking.
Guys, what did you bait me?
Okay, focus.
You can
But then,
back out.
We're on twitch.tv/Bolskong. Do the thing.
Do the thing.
We got a bit giddy there. I think we should go for like a normal turn. We just like swing and shoot the ram, force some CD, then
Yeah,
go barrage.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck my barrage.
I'll find my
It's
own
fine.
path.
It happened. It's fine. Wait,
It's okay. We're in OT. If we play perfect, we have time. We can't lose them up. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, we get stuck on second point here though. How do we create? Like, how do we get?
We have the car. We have the car.
If we do this right, they won't even know what happened.
We have a grind curse.
Yeah, we clear the full top. What are you gonna swap to, Billy? And I don't want to hear Hanzo.
No, but you have to trust me.
Trust him.
Oh no.
Trust him.
You have to trust me, bro.
Okay.
I think no.
That's an order.
Let's show them.
Hey, I'm putting it up.
Yeah.
They have ram on top.
I'm going there.
Okay, I'm taking the top.
It's only ram, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm behind.
Keep walking the top. Keep walking the top. Take a turn on the ramp.
Sonic.
Carry on.
This is
Okay,
the
half. Well, okay, ram. Nice.
this one.
This one.
Couple of bond.
Cap. Where's me?
He's gonna
No, she's on here.
Just cap point. Just cap.
Can you swap the hands on up? Swap the hands on. What's switch?
Yeah.
I'm going ramp after we cap.
just shield, just wall here.
Me and Carla can flank, honestly.
Stop. Taking this one.
I'm gonna bait them to the right.
We can't.
Kinos.
Billy, swap.
I'm fine, don't worry. I'm
I
behind.
can't. They're pushing me. There's no point me swapping yet. I'll do it after that.
I'm annoying them. They're looking at me.
So,
Same.
right.
I can.
Mate, close right.
We're converting on them. Missing a shift. I'm with you, Kyla.
Yo, one can die.
They have no wall. We can flash that.
Nice.
Like,
Yo,
I'm going mid close.
Mid can die.
No TP, carry no TP.
I'm gonna go cap.
Mizu.
Oh, they ban cap.
Get out. Nice. 3 on point.
Okay,
Okay, I learned from that.
I can set up with Kylo. Do you want left high ground, Kylo?
Okay, what else do they have? What else do they have?
For no push point.
Probably rush, closest to rush. May's been dead most of the game, so.
We can't walk by one. We don't have rush yet. Yeah, you can do it like. I don't.
Okay.
Okay, let's hold up. Remember what Link said.
I think Surge.
I will.
Wait, Billy, don't keep this. I'll call it.
Let me Kylo hit the back line.
Walking. We need to go. Slow men. Big saw. Sorry.
Let's use it.
This one. Me one. I got that. Ram. Okay.
I can fly. Oh.
Good job.
Wait, what?
Good job.
Fly again. Okay, leave.
Do I swap? No.
Oh, no, okay.
I'd like to take the venture if you want to keep it.
Yeah, adventure's good.
It's just really working, yeah. They're pushing spawn.
Get out. Don't move. Chain.
Are they really far up? I can look to C9. Okay. I'm nothing. Ram, shoot, look ram. Ram first.
Ram one.
Ram.
He's gonna ult. Nice. Hero left.
Ram still one.
Hero left.
Okay, 3 card after me.
Carry left side. Come in.
Yep. Can you stop?
3 card.
You keep them.
Wait, who can touch?
Hold close. Someone stay.
I'm saying card. We say 3.
You can move them, Frank, okay?
Rank, take me on the
Yeah, I can. We cap, yeah.
We have 5 minutes, don't fuck this up, fight plan.
Nice.
Yes.
They're gonna have OT too.
I'll your OT. Yeah, you have no shield.
I'm ready.
We go now.
I'm ready to hit.
Slow in, man.
Do you want?
Chill. We can go back in with Kitsu. Can you guys live behind them? Walk up. I'm not gonna Kitsu. I'm not.
Ram.
I can keep walking.
Soldier above you, Grant. We can kill the soldier. I tip it to you, Grant. I'm with you.
Oh, let's do it.
Focus on point.
Yeah, I'm hopping. Fly.
Get out.
Get out.
You need.
No, let me build out charge.
They use Annihilation, they use Kitsu, they use Mizuki ult, they use OC. Did they OC?
No.
No.
No, okay.
Okay.
I'm close to catnap, I can maybe build.
I think he's gonna swing from Mega with OC and they're gonna hit us, I feel like. Okay?
Carlo, can you make your way right side? Somehow. I can help you if they push you.
I'm just turning. Here's
They have to hit us early, listen, get the early hit. They have to do crazy play. They have to do crazy play.
I'm off. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna fox this corner.
May.
Yeah, May.
May next. Look, May.
Run.
Nice.
Carry.
Okay. Mizu. Okay, 3 card. I've catnap for they're gonna have OC.
Stop them left. Push up left.
I'm on point.
I rumble.
I'm gonna venture point. They stopped off from.
Ori.
Okay, after gold, you can steal
Did he's cold?
Just Maze on the right.
Can we take a turn on the Ori? Can we take a turn on the Ori? Shoot Ori. Help you.
Eyeball. Carrot.
Okay.
Nice.
I'm one.
Reset it.
He can.
Keep blocking.
Look, May next. May.
Nice. I got kill.
Hammer.
Guys,
Good fucking
okay.
shit.
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Lock.
We're gonna do that. We're not gonna do the Hats thing again. We're gonna do the Mauga thing.
Maga thing.
Cut Bastion. Cut Bastion.
The one we did against Bro Player.
Question
It's the
is,
same
Or
shit.
we could
You
cut
haven't.
Bastion.
Yuvin,
Yeah.
No.
shut up.
For
Do you want
first
me
point.
to go behind?
It's just first
Or
point.
do you want me to go Alakazam boom boom?
Go Alakazam boom. Yeah.
What the
Pay me
hell?
Okay, take the park.
Can we go Zarya Hanzo? I just want to grab
Shut the fuck up.
No, please, no.
Bro, it's a free fight win.
Bro, please.
It is a
Shut up.
free fight win.
Hey,
No,
I'm gonna say the
please.
P word. Hey, lock
Oh,
in.
they have like jams. He's just gonna go like shalom and like Suzu all the damage. Like.
Yeah, I'm good with it.
Wait, are you sure you want Ana attack? You don't want Karen?
I'm thinking. I feel like a nano OC is
I
disgusting.
think
Nano
Karen
flash.
can TP in with Ace, so...
Yeah, that's true. You're right.
Yuvin, you go Moga?
Can you pull me up top?
You gonna
Frank, for a
you
bit?
go Moga?
Yeah, I can.
I think I'm going to like Kabashi. I think you play as.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can't let it get you down.
Yeah, look for a pick
We're
today.
more than we're made for.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait, we can look at. Wait, come left. We just hide. Don't show the cat passion. Okay, don't show.
Take me. Yeah.
I'm
Make sounds.
taking the thing.
Wait for us to walk.
Yeah, they're looking at it. It's so slow.
I'm ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Main hotel.
I'm caught.
I'll find my own path.
Run.
Someone let me know if Maze behind me, please.
Yeah, flip. Nice.
Okay, play behind him.
They want no hands. May next. One thing.
May.
I'm jumping to jump. Have Bastion right now. Have Bastion, man. Please.
Carry.
Fucking
Bastion. Nice.
Oh, we
Okay, Bastion.
Lads, when Master Division.
Wait.
Wait.
GG's.
Oh my god.
GG's.
Oh my god.
GG's.
Oh, Kylo is the best player in the world. I swear.
We fucking did it.
sir.
We fucking did it.
Yo.
Yo.
Who hit the 3-0? Excuse me, that was top 1 team? Top 1?
Need to stop the point cap happening. Ruby Doobie is dead. Azo with the spike guarding Kylo Ren on the point in the form. Wham! Fools and STD from an open division team through many seasons and many years are your new Face It Masters team. It is first to 3, right?
It is first to 3.
Thank God.
I assume? Yeah, finished. Oh my gosh, they've done it. They've actually done it. They have made masses, I'm sure. Well, they are going flipping mental right now.
A tremendous congratulations to STD. It has been a hell of a season from them. It was a rough start, but they found their form, they found their groove, they found their style, and Foxhound ultimately had no answers for it tonight.
Yeah, I mean, they looked kind of just unbeatable.